storm might be over, but the threat is still very present. Countless Mid-South people are freezing without heat, electricity, or warm water. All our heaters have been working overtime to keep our homes warm in this deep freeze. Fox 13's Kate Beery learned that the number of calls to fix them is double what it was last year. She joins us live. Kate, I tell you, this is no time to be without heat.
Absolutely, Daniel. And get this, as of 2:30 this afternoon, Choate's had more than 1,800 calls for service. This deep freeze puts a big strain on our heating units and also stresses out the people that have to service them.
She's still friendly. She's just reserved. There's nothing wrong with that. But,
in his living room, which he compared to a refrigerator. His thermostat reflected a temperature of about 42 degrees in the room, 30 below what he actually wanted. But moments after we met him, help finally arrived. Choate's has been slammed with calls since the storm rolled in. The company's assistant general manager told me they're forced to prioritize only emergency calls right now. That's people without any heat.
This storm that came through, I mean, it dropped, 40, 50 degrees in just a few hours. Has been pretty crazy, and it's definitely got us working all hands on deck. Everyone's just trying to be able to accommodate these emergency calls that are coming in.
So we were curious, we're sure you're curious at home as well, as to when there was such a demand for servicing these units right here. And Choate said it was actually February of this year during the ice storm. You probably remember it. And before that, it was 1994, an ice storm where temperatures plummeted 50 degrees. But they do say history repeats itself. Daniel?
That's Kate Beery for us live. Kate, thanks.